Hi everyone, come back to Hyperbolas. We now try to solve the next problem. The first one we did was, it started with x squared all over a squared minus y squared all over b squared equals to 1. Now this one started with y squared. So when it's in this format with a here positive, it means we are looking at a hyperbola of y squared all over a squared minus x squared all over b squared equals 1. So what this is telling us is this hyperbola is going to open on the x, it's going to open along the x-axis, the y-axis, up and down. It's going to be something like this, and it's going that way and this way, instead of this way and this way, because of this equation have changed. So you're having it this way, and this one opens downwards. So now let's solve the problem. The first question says, find the center. It's always easy to calculate the center, as long as there's nothing next to the y and x unknowns. The center is 0, 0. Center 0, 0. The graph is at the center. My markers are getting dry. I don't use them that much. And the next one says find the vertices. How do you calculate the vertices? Let's see. We have y squared over 16 minus x squared over 25. So our a here this time is a squared here is 16. So a squared, I know this will not, I use the red marker, anyway, you have to excuse me. Our a squared here is equals to 16 this time. So therefore a is plus or minus the square root of 16. A therefore is plus or minus 4. So now you have your vertices at minus 4, 0 and plus 4, 0. Now let's calculate b. B squared is 25. Therefore, b is equals to plus or minus the square root of 25. b is plus or minus 5. Let's put it somewhere here. b equals plus minus 5. We shall use it later on. We've calculated the vertices, the center, the vertices, the foci is what is left. For us to be able to calculate the foci, we use the formula c squared equals a squared plus b squared. So c squared equals a squared, which is 16 squared, plus b squared, which is 25 squared. So this gives us 41. Therefore, c squared, c is equals to the root of 41, which is 6.04. So now the foci are minus 6.4, 0 and 6.4, 0. the next question says, and sketch the hyperbola. So let's try to sketch it and see. Let's sketch a hyperbola. So this is still our y, this is still our x-axis. And now you have your A, which is 16 and is plus or minus the vertices here, which is plus or minus 4. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. It's fine. We have our A in this case is 4, 4,0, 4,0. Let me use a different marker. We have 4,0 here and minus 4,0, minus 4,0 here. And we have our B plus or minus 5. So we have it here. I'll have it here, minus 5. So these 4 points we have, let's try and join them together and form a rectangle. That will help us to sketch our hyperbola. So now, if we draw a straight line from here to here, another vertical straight line, horizontal straight line, and vertical straight line, this horizontal, so they meet here, meet here. This is what we need. This graph, this is what we need. This rectangle is what we need. So now we'll draw a straight line, a diagonal line that passes through the center and touches the edges of this rectangle. So if it goes through the center to the edge here, center to the edge here, another center to the edge here, center, say, oh, come on. Center to the edge, center to the edge. Yeah? So we've got these two lines. These are the lines that form the equation of the asymptotes. This is what is represented by these two lines. And that equation you are given is y equals plus or minus a over b x. Because it's lying on the y-axis, it changes. If it was on the x-axis, it's going to be b over a. But now it's lying here, it's a over b. So our focus, one is here, 6.4. Another one is here, minus 6.4. You see them here, minus 6.4, 6.4. And the vertex is minus 4 and plus 4. Let me just extend this line. So now for us to be able to sketch our graph, you know the vertex is the turning point of the hyperbola. So the hyperbola turns here. Turning point here. Maximum turning point. So this hyperbola will now continue to go that way and follow this straight path, this straight line. So at certain point, at some point in the future, we say at infinity, this line will become a straight line, but it will be parallel to this straight line. You will not meet. And so here again, this is the turning point. Draw your line. Draw this one here. So this is your graph. If I can do it this way. This is what you have for this equation. These are your hyperbola. I hope you enjoyed this class. Thank you.